As Anna Hazare's fast completes 1 week, millions of Indians continue to support the anti-corruption crusade. We have Jaguri Nikunja joining us live from Ramlila Maidan this morning.
As to the people here, the mood is getting very electrifying. If I could ask our camera person to tilt the camera down and show you these young children. Now today is Janmashtami. As a tradition, children generally dress up like Lord Krishna. But this entire generation has been taken by the Anna Babe, and you can see young children dressed up as Anna Hazare, carrying the tricolor and very proudly waving. So this just goes on to show that it is not a movement restricted to the elderly, the young, but even young children as young as 4 to 5 years have come here to pitch in their support for Anna Hazare. Also, let's get across to another person here. He's written a few lines for Anna Hazare. क्या लिखा, आप क्या बोलना चाहते हैं?
अन्ना जी ने जो भ्रष्टाचार के खिलाफ आंदोलन छेड़ा उसके बारे में जो लिखा है वो आपको सुनाना चाहता हूँ। हम वो नहीं जो टूट कर गिर जाएं यहीं पर, हम वो नहीं जो टूट कर गिर जाएं यहीं पर, ले आशीर्वाद अन्ना का जी जाएं जमी पर। एक एक करके मैंने फूल हैं सजाए, एक एक करके मैंने फूल हैं सजाए, तुम अगर ना आओ अन्ना कैसे मुस्कुराएं। वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम।
हम दिनांक 15/8/11 से यही है और मयूर विहार में अन्ना जी के साथ गिरफ्तारी देने के लिए गए थे।
Yes, I am a senior banker. I am a senior banker and I have come along with my wife. I want to join. If I do not join the movement, I don't want to be aloof from this movement. There is one suggestion that we should have a number, one number like 100 for police, 101 for ambulance. This number should be there. As and when somebody pays the bribe to anybody, one should dial that number and say that I have given these notes or this currency to this person as bribe, and he should be caught hold of. If this fear comes among the people, I think this Annaji's movement will become a success.
Clearly you heard it, people cutting across different religions and class, people coming from different professional backgrounds are coming here to extend their support. Nikunj, tell us, how is the government perceiving this movement? Is it getting out of hand to them?
Situation nonetheless, Jagori, there's no doubt about it. It's a tough message that is coming from the people, from Team Anna. The numbers are swelling. If nothing else, government would quickly want a solution before tomorrow's parliament session, at least something concrete to report to the parliament in terms of negotiations at least.
Really, we'll have to see what the next move is going to be. But as for Team Anna, their strategy is very clear. They will continue with the movement, and their word is clear that so far they have not got any intimation from the government about a future dialogue process. Back to you.
धीरे-धीरे कदम बढ़ा रहा है, आगे बढ़ रहा है। और
अभी आगे के लिए लोकपाल बिल सरकार को लाना ही पड़ेगा। क्यों? अरे देश की जनता जग गई है, अभी सरकार को यह बिल को लाना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो जाना पड़ेगा। दोनों में एक होगा। लाना पड़ेगा या जाना पड़ेगा, क्या आपको मंजूर है? करो, हमारी तैयारी है।